The fundamental of sales in 11 episodes. Episode 11, 11 steps to continuously improve in sales. Sales is a dynamic and ever-changing field that requires continuous improvement and adaptation to stay ahead of the competition. Whether you are a seasoned sales professional or just starting out, it is essential to develop a mindset of continuous improvement to achieve long-term success. Here are 11 steps to help you continuously improve in sales. 1. Set clear goals. The first step in any improvement process is to set clear and specific goals. Determine what you want to achieve in your sales career and establish measurable targets to track your progress. This will help you stay focused and motivated to improve. 2. Learn from experience. Success and failure are both valuable learning opportunities. Analyze your sales performance and identify areas for improvement. Use this feedback to adjust your approach and refine your sales techniques. 3. Seek feedback. Ask your customers, colleagues, and managers for feedback on your sales performance. This will provide you with valuable insights into your strengths and weaknesses and help you identify areas for improvement. 4. Invest in training. Continuous learning is essential in sales. Attend training courses, read books, listen to podcasts, and watch webinars to stay up to date with the latest sales techniques and best practices. 5. Stay up to date with industry trends. Keep yourself informed of the latest trends and developments in your industry. This will help you anticipate your customers' needs and stay ahead of the competition. 6. Build strong relationships. Building strong relationships with your customers is essential for long-term success in sales. Focus on building trust, providing value, and delivering exceptional customer service. 7. Use data to drive decisions. Use data analytics to track your sales performance and identify trends and patterns. This will help you make data-driven decisions and adjust your approach to achieve better results. 8. Embrace technology. Technology is transforming the sales landscape. Embrace new tools and technologies to streamline your sales process, improve efficiency, and enhance customer engagement. 9. Collaborate with colleagues. Collaboration is key to success in sales. Work closely with your colleagues to share best practices, learn from each other, and develop new strategies together. 10. Stay positive. Sales can be a challenging and stressful profession. Stay positive and maintain a growth mindset to overcome obstacles and stay motivated to improve. 11. Celebrate success. Celebrate your successes and achievements along the way. This will help you stay motivated and reinforce the positive behaviors and actions that led to your success. In conclusion, continuous improvement is essential for long-term success in sales. By setting clear goals, learning from experience, seeking feedback, investing in training, staying up to date with industry trends, building strong relationships, using data to drive decisions, embracing technology, collaborating with colleagues, staying positive, and celebrating success, you can continuously improve your sales performance and achieve your goals. To watch all lessons, go to the channel playlists.